Welcome back to Auto Reviews, the channel where we explore cars, vans, and SUVs from every angle to help you decide what fits your lifestyle best. Today, we are taking a detailed look at the Honda Step WGN, a smart and family-focused minivan that blends practicality, comfort, and Honda's trusted engineering in a very unique way for drivers who value space and efficiency. The Honda Step WGN is known for its boxy yet modern design that prioritizes interior room and usability. From the outside, it may look simple, but every line serves a purpose. The tall roof and wide body make it easy to get in and out, especially for families with kids or anyone who frequently carries passengers. Sliding doors on both sides add convenience in tight parking spaces, making school drop-offs and grocery runs stress-free. The front design feels clean and modern, with sleek headlights and a confident stance that fits well on city streets or highways. Inside, the Step WGN truly shines. Honda designed this minivan with families and long trips in mind. The cabin feels airy and open thanks to the large windows and high roofline. Seating is comfortable and supportive, even on long drives. Depending on the configuration, the Step WGN can seat up to 8 passengers, making it ideal for big families or group travel. The seats are flexible and can be folded or rearranged easily to create more cargo space when needed. One of the most practical features is the low floor height, which makes stepping in and out easier for children and older passengers. When it comes to technology, the Honda Step WGN offers a well-balanced setup. The infotainment system includes a touchscreen display that supports navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration, allowing drivers to stay connected on the go. Multiple USB ports and available rear entertainment options help keep passengers entertained during long journeys. Climate control is designed to keep everyone comfortable, with rear air vents ensuring that passengers in the back enjoy the same comfort as those in the front. Under the hood, the Honda Step WGN is typically powered by a fuel-efficient engine that delivers smooth and reliable performance. Honda focuses more on efficiency and comfort rather than aggressive power, which makes this minivan perfect for daily commuting and family road trips. The engine provides enough power for highway driving while maintaining excellent fuel economy, helping drivers save money at the pump. Some variants also offer hybrid technology, further improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Safety is another strong point of the Honda Step WGN. Honda includes a range of advanced safety features designed to protect both driver and passengers. These may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and multiple airbags throughout the cabin. The solid build quality and advanced driver assist systems give peace of mind, especially for families who prioritize safety above all else. On the road, the Step WGN delivers a smooth and stable ride. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease. Steering feels light and easy, making it simple to maneuver in urban environments despite its size. Noise insulation is well done, keeping the cabin quiet and relaxed even at higher speeds. Overall, the Honda Step WGN is a practical, comfortable, and reliable minivan that focuses on what matters most: space, safety, and efficiency. It may not be flashy, but it excels in everyday usability and long-term reliability, which is exactly what many families are looking for. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to see more honest car reviews, specs, and features, make sure to subscribe to Auto Reviews and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update.